Riverside Marketplace is an outdoor shopping area with a lot of local restaurants and really cool things to do, and it has an amazing city view of Miami. South Beach, Miami was so much fun. There's so many local bars and restaurants to choose from. The nightlife is insane. It's so lively out there. You can't go wrong visiting this place. With all the music, culture, and good food, you'd never want to leave here.
When you're in Miami, you do as the Miamians do. You get cancer in your mouth, eh? Alright? Mustache? Yeah. And you look at butts. Baby, drop it for me low. One time. Hit it for me one time. Hit it for me 2 times. Hit it for me 3 times. Let's go. Practice 6 steps, everybody.
The Art District had to be one of my favorite stops in Miami. There's so many cultural paintings all around the city. Every corner there's something eye-catching. Wynwood Walls is a free outdoor museum with artwork done by some of the best known street artists in the world. And again, did I mention it's free? This restaurant, probably hands down, had the best food we tried in Miami the entire weekend. De Leon Springs is so beautiful. You can go kayaking, barbecue, swimming, and when I say kayaking, I mean with gators. I guess that's just a Florida thing.
I feel like you need your space, prisoner in your own home that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe. We'll finally get away.
Sugar Factory is the tea. This is my favorite spot to come to whenever I visit Florida. The food is great, the desserts are even better. You can literally just come here for desserts, and on your birthday, the servers literally twerk for you. It's so cool. The whole place is just a vibe. Disney Springs was such an exciting place to explore. There's so many things you can do here with all the shops and restaurants, and even the museums that they have. We even did a scavenger hunt that they had going on for the holidays. It was really fun. Planet Hollywood is just a vibe. They have karaoke you can do. Obviously, I did that standing up in the booth, but also a first and second story museum that you can even check out after you're done eating.
Me, I say, before I get away.
Silver Springs is such an underrated park. It is so beautiful here, and the entrance included the glass bottom boat ride, which was around $12 for the 30-minute tour. Beautiful St. Augustine. I mean, what is there not to do here? You have shops, you have restaurants, you have museums, you have tours, you have a fort. I mean, it's so gorgeous here. This is definitely my top spot, especially with one of the most beautiful beaches right nearby.
Ya tú caminaste por ahí, pa.
Red Train Tour is actually a promo we purchased with Ripley's Believe It or Not. This takes you all around the city of St. Augustine, and on the holidays they do a cute little glasses that you can see reindeer through, and the lights are breathtaking. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching again.